Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can fix your NBA 2K25 MyTEAM mobile app not working. So the first thing that you can check is that you can check your Wi-Fi. If it's weak or if it's not showing, then the application couldn't work due to weak Wi-Fi connectivity issues. You can also restart your phone and see if it works. If none of that works, you will simply first of all long press on the app icon. You can also go to your settings from here and you can search it up in app info. You will just long press over here and you'll click on app info. This will lead you to your app information where first of all the first solution you can do is force stop. This is more of a refresh that basically refreshes anything, and if there is any error for which your NBA 2K25 MyTEAM mobile app is not working, it will fix that as well. So you'll just press on force stop and here you will press on OK, and then you will wait 5 to 10 seconds as this is essentially a total refresh of the application. If this works, great. Otherwise, the next step is that from here you will go on storage. Once you go over here, of course, if you've used the application before, you will go on clear cache on the right. You will press on clear cache, and after that it will be a solution for your application to work. Now, if any of these steps don't work, what you can do is you can uninstall and reinstall the application, and if still doesn't work, you can contact their customer support. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.